What was the family's reaction like?
Honestly, the first 2 days were hectic. I was traveling. I was actually traveling to Bombay
Yeah.
for something and all of that. So I didn't sleep, I think, for the first few days. Like that night, I had to answer all the, all the thing and interviews and this and that. And then I was traveling. I was doing all that and still doing interviews in the evening. So I didn't speak to my parents about it for at least 2 days
Yeah.
after. But yeah, they had a lot of like they had cakes coming to them and
Wow,
people
so
wishing
sweet.
them and coming over home and celebrating and
Yeah.
all of that.
But Nitya, how was the feeling when you went up on the stage and accepted the award? And that day must have been very, very special, because I think last year when Alia and Kriti got it, I saw, they said that they shared a very warm hug before, just right before they stepped onto the stage, because they got so emotional. And even though they weren't like friends in real life, but they were at the same place,
Yeah.
feeling the same
Yeah.
emotions. How was it sharing it with
It was the
Mansi?
same way with Mansi. I think she came up and she said hi to me. And I said, "Oh, it's you." Because it's such a big moment and you see this other person is sharing it with you. You think, who is this person? So she said the same thing. She's like, I want to know who is this person?
Yeah.
Like, I want to meet her. And we immediately hit it off, Mansi and me.
Wow.
We didn't know anything about each other, right? She works in Gujarati
Correct.
films and I work in South. So we just immediately became friends. We became warm, and she was my company throughout. I think, in fact, we were standing there about to go, and I kind of put my hand on Mansi's shoulder and
Yeah.
I kind of gave her a rub, and she looked at me and she said, it's happening. And I said, yeah.
Ah,
And when they said her name, I again did that and she started crying.
crying.
So I was like,
Yeah.
oh my god, I hope I didn't make her cry.
Look.
But I loved it. I thought
Yeah.
she had such a natural reaction, right? We all feel like that. She just
Correct.
expressed it.